Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay and enjoy the great contents that I'll be posting. All right, so guys, I'm going to camp. I'm going camping for the first time. OMG. I am super excited. And I'm gonna meet up with Anna and Twin. Yeah, I'm gonna meet up with them and we're going camping for the first time. Right, it's my first time. Yeah, so it should be fun. But right now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm packing, to go in my bag for camping and all of that. So I hope you guys stick around and enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video, you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. And the camp is in St. Elizabeth. Yeah, St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz, yeah, I don't know. But St. Elizabeth, the camp is in St. Elizabeth, right? So, yes, we're going to camp. And I'm taking you guys along with me, so stay tuned, okay? Alright guys, so I'm here packing. These are some clothes that I have. I have to travel with my wax, my lip balm, panty shield, one little towel, I have my soap, wipes, tissue, toothpaste, toothbrush, spray, my edge brush, I have my socks them. I carry 2 pair of socks. I have this black one. I don't better carry this one, but I have this and the black one. Alright, what else? I have a tissue, I have deodorant and lotion. I don't know, but I carry this. I bring this if in case we're going on the water. And alright, so I have my bag with me a pack, I borrow my daughter bag. I bring my extension. I have my slippers, them. I also have garbage bags. Yeah, so, prepare for tomorrow. Yeah. Right here, I'm bringing planting. I guess we're going to need Scotch Brite. I think nobody going to bring Scotch Brite, so we're going to need Scotch Brite. We're going to roast with breadfruit. And we're going to also bring some seasonings, like, powder seasoning, onion, tomato, butter. Yeah. So in the morning, we put that in the bag. But guys, I'm here packing for my very first camping adventure. I am so excited and I know it's gonna be so fun. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So tomorrow now when we go in town, we get a bottle of water. I'm supposed to have bottle of water here, supposed to have bottle of water here. So all of that. Yes, me have rag. I have my rag. I soon put everything in my bag. So yeah, yes guys, I'm just here packing up and all of that. So as I said earlier, stay tuned to see exactly what we're gonna do, where we're going and what's happening, okay? All right guys, some of my mosquito zap. It was on charge. I go put it back on charge as well, but I have my mosquito zap. Can say mosquito I go did it, so bring my mosquito zap. And guys, I also have a ring light and a phone light, the clip-on thing. Yeah, I have that as well. So say we're fully equipped on this adventure. Yes, I'm so excited, as I said. So yeah, I'm gonna continue packing and then I'll catch you guys in the morning, okay? So, and also guys, you know, we have a little snack. We'll go snack pan. You know, we go carry my little snacks them so we can snack on until, you know, in the night we cook and we get. Alright guys, so ready. Well pack up and ready. Even though I'm gonna add some more things, like we go add me snacks and put in like the breadfruit and everything. Or we can't carry breadfruit in my hand or something. But yeah, this is my bag. I'm ready. And I'm ready.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we rise on boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like one. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings all on our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be low at one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say I can shut down. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your falling and live, man. Me up with thank God for the journey, the journey to just to the plus. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I toast to the friends that they club to be low one time. Sit down in a class and we pour them only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. Just show our blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. Just show our blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the job. Me, I'm delighted. Just know some person ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all coming like one. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings all on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be low at one time. Sit down in a class and we pour them only sit the road and me go on with the road. Toast, toast. Oh, when I rise on board, yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like one. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be low at one time. Sit down in a class and we pour them only sit the road and me go on with it. Toast.
Last, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. That. Shayo. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. Animigo and shadow.
Alright guys, so we reach a Santa Cruz. I'm now here on Twinkles. She said she soon come. So after we link up with Twinkles, we go link up with Anna. So maybe I the wait. Guys, we just reach and I walk go down. Yeah. So this is Twinkles. So we there wait for Anna. We just a walk go down. I wait for Anna. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Panic hold him. Look how the big go. JPS. Me too. So we have to walk go down this. I think I said the taxi should have let we off and we walk go down this. Cause no rocky in the thing so. Right. No, if him did turn off, no. You must carry a partner, so. Some coach ready, so. I walk, how far we have to go walk? Run.
Something. It's a BREADNUT vibe.
I think they have one side. We can't turn up on your side and wait. Because probably, I don't know if we go further.
You have a private property.
But funny video, and I said, welcome to BREADNUT, whatever. Probably afraid I don't do.
It's around somebody, but me I hear the river, I hear it down.
Yeah. Yeah, me I hear it for you. Alright, road, we are here up this so.
No man, I hear water. Listen.
Oh. Hey, we can't turn up. Let's not yet then. People with there wait for Anna. Well, we're going to check off in our river right now.
Guys, you there one place I would have short yeah, have little theater with a strong man.
We don't know people. We don't know.
But this is where we're at. So hopefully we're there right now.
Cause see we don't walk back up the sun. No. Guys look like an Anna this now. Cause we swear so we last. No, it's a. But things that we last.
Hey! Mr. Guys, look there. No, sir.
We said, guys,
Let's look good.
tired. Hi, guys. This is me.
The girl knows weight.
This is Anna, guys.
The girl knows weight. I tell you. You see the people them that say it?
Somebody active.
Guys, I would have. Who is that, guys? I'm excited. I'm excited. You know what? Show me a minute there. I'm going to run. I will say run.
No. Like enough people over there can be a smoke me they say like everybody they cook or something. Oh. Eh? Yeah. Don't run. Me not run. Come over here, so me not run.
So I'm tired of you.
Where? People?
Don't run. Then I feel run. I nearly have had a when here and I hold it down and the girls are like
Watch out. Watch out. You sure? Eh? Want a what? Alright. Okay. Alright, thanks. Well, you say water only dirty. Yeah. Are you over there, sir? No, it's dirty picture, man. No, sir. That dirty water this.
We can't go in there.
But by a man in the clear up though.
No, sir. I can go, sir.
Not sure.
What is the road of going in it?
Sure.
Oh, it's a hard to come over the same way car. So can turn up on it all the time.
No. Won't be clear up by a man so you can go in the river. Excited,
You can't go in there. Hopefully you're not for a man.
We got dirty guys, but you get till a morning feel clear up. I guess so you walk go up to the hills and now tour place.
Guys, we actually find service for the
No, sir. My shorts are still. Yeah, my short bad man.
Even mini shorter than 3.
Short.
And I'm 5'1". So you must know.
Me are just 5.
I'm here 5'5", so you know what I am.
My short man.
Guys, we're touring. When the water can't go in, that's how one. Because it's really dirty, but probably tomorrow we can put it in there.
Yeah, I think we will be clear up by a morning.
What's up, let's like, oh, I want to beach here, Berna. No. The tour, you're already maintained. Yeah. Let me build something like that, man. So they're not much. The fish don't want to build more. Airbnb. That me just never see.
Can I river the right so attract more tourists and see.
Up there for the fans, then.
Up there, sir? Alright. Tired easy.
Nice. What if we have to go one like reach fast? We have to walk with the whole air back them. I'll go way up.
No, sir. I'm going to do this in there now. I like this in there.
I didn't want to come last time. I'm going to go 3 days now.
No, I'm not done there. Wow, go for some people. Going up in the hills. Yeah. I'm not tired yet. Oh, good exercise this, yeah? Yes, sir. Super wonderful. Eh? one shop. Yeah.
Up here.
I realize you're up.
We got camping somewhere.
BREADNUT Valley.
Yeah.
BREADNUT.
No, watch seaside, but we never
Seaside Tree Falls. Wooden Falls.
I think more watch if you choose.
Oh, but we never go to the end. We go that way.
Yeah, see falls. Tree water dirty, you know. But we up by a morning and clean up, you know? Yeah. Water deep. Oh God, my friend is a dealer. No, sir. Yeah. So I'm part of the city. You see there, I can't sit down. Red ants. So not your own. Oh yeah. Not true.
Yes, keep on it, then go under this one.
Yeah. Them can't swim, so.
Yeah, they must swim, them die.
I have to take off my shoes. I think I'm not going to regret the socks. Me? No, I don't want to store it on my beer for 2 grams. And it's strong. Yeah. Eh? Oh. A 2 grams. I see it in a store for myself. Go get it. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the return this.
Be a flyer, take me. Be a flyer. So you want a bit of clear up by a morning, yeah, man? Sure. Water feel nice. Eh?
Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that, baby. Tonight, I let you know. Baby, tonight, we lose control. Baby, tonight, you need that. Tonight, believe that. Tonight, I'll be the best you ever had. I don't wanna brag, I'll be the best you ever had. I don't wanna brag, I'll be the best you ever had.
So guys, my tent set up right now. Rain a fall, so we under one big tent. So Anna over there, so twin there right there, so and me there right here. So I don't really know nothing about tent or nothing, but he said we must enter from right there, so we zip round. So we soon get the sponge and everything to go inside and set up the bed and something. Yeah.
Yeah, we soon go inside and we get with bed.
Yeah, we soon get the sponge and everything to set up. So because rain a fall, so
Yeah.
we have to under this a big tent, yeah.
So when we finish, we're gonna start cook because I'm hungry.
Right now, of course.
I'm hungry bad.
No, sir. A mosquito bite we up. Oh. Alright guys, in my house here now. Yeah. Yeah. Sponge. Somebody did a eat in my house. No, sir. My house look like nice though. In my house. In my house.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reaper with coursing on foot. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey takes us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings all on our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be load one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say I just shut down. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your falling and live, man. Me up with thank God for the journey to just to the plus. Yeah. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I toast to the friends that they club to be load one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings are for me. And send me to tell you my story. That's what blessings are for me. And that's why I'm gonna give him a job. Read for me the light. You know some person ignited. But the music get me excited. Coming like a push. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey takes us to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings all on our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be load one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that only sit.
Guys, they are going to clean up some chicken. We'll do some curry and curry chicken and roast breadfruit or fried breadfruit. So we just are going to put up some chicken. Okay, roast breadfruit right this one. Them also have this is stove and fridge. So then basically have everything right so not for yourself. Alright guys, so we have a tent and we get little light under the tent. So we're good. Yeah. Now I go in and now go set up my little house. Put on my little sheet and all of them something there. Alright guys, so we're in my little house and I'm going to set up my house right now. So I'm going to pack out my stuff them, take out my sheet, put on my sheet, and we just clean up the chicken, but we're not going to cut up the chicken as yet until Anna come, because Anna gone, so she go come back. So we are waiting for her to come back, feed her, cook and all of that. So just go set up my little tent and feel at home, you know, feel comfortable. So let's go. Now ask me I do it so much stuff. You just come prepared. Come have a lot of stuff. So I take out my sheet I have a sheet and I'm going to use this as pillow. So, yeah. And in here warm, you know, in here really warm. In a cold, you warm. Finno. You know me, I do it so much clothes and I just one night. But we just come prepared, you understand? Just come prepared. Hope that's how I'm gonna sleep tonight. Would I recommend anybody for this? This is so fun. It's just so nice and you know, it's nice. Would I recommend anybody for this right now? Feel comfortable and nice. Take out these things down. I have my slippers. Then I'm gonna go house. I left my rag. I forgot to use one of them sitting there. Beard. I left my rag. I left my rag. Sure, I left my rag. It's no matter still. It's intervals. Guys, I feel so nice and relaxed right now. Oh god, when I need to try this, like, yeah, feel I'm gonna just asleep right now, but we are waiting for Anna to come so we can cook because we go to curry chicken and we go roast some breadfruit. So we just there. I wait for Anna to come. You know, so we have to bathe off and all of that. But me just there relax and me just feel like mother clap asleep. It feels so comfortable in here, not cool, and it's just warm and nice. Yeah. So yeah, would I recommend this to anybody? Highly recommend. Y'all go camping. It's fun. Yeah, so I'm in Magati Mide. Santa Cruz, yeah, Magati. So it's where name I think a BREADNUT Valley, something like that. I'll put the name on the screen, but it's very nice. I'm Upper River clear up by tomorrow because I really come down here to go in the river. No one go in the river. So just Upper River clear up by a morning. You know, somebody lie down on my pillow. I feel real nice and comfortable. You know? Yeah, I have my little things them over this, so. Hey, when you don't ask me where I go with so much things, I come prepared, okay? I know I go with tomorrow, but I come prepared. Because it's my first time, so I don't really know what is what. So, I just come prepared, okay? So, yeah, I'll see you guys when Anna comes, okay? Alright guys, so Anna come now, so we'll go head over the kitchen and look for something to eat because we're really and truly hungry right now, so we're gonna look for something to eat. You know what?
Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that, baby. Tonight's the night I let you know. Baby, tonight's the night we lose control. Baby, tonight you need that. Tonight, believe.
Carol?
Yeah, man, okay.
I'm the one that know this and over to know Corey. I'm the right one still. I want onion. I want onion. I want plant mini cat. One plant to breakfast.
One long plan.
How much plan you eat, Anna?
To breakfast.
Yeah. You will I plan?
Girl, if you didn't have a bad plant this morning, no sir. One plant we can serve. This is morning.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life on. But thank God for the journey takes us to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall on our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club with me load one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Third form, me say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic say I sing, yeah. Jimmy all dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello brother. Say I just shut up. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, falling on it, man. Me have to thank God for the journey to just to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I toast to the friends with the club. Me load one time, sit down in a class and we pour that. Only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. man, send me if tell you my story.
Stop. That's not too much.
Eight, whoa, eight, whoa, eight, whoa, eight, whoa, eight, whoa, eight, whoa.
No, but you normally can put the high class.
Yep.
Come over here. Turn here. 160. Can I so thin? Which I didn't see where thank you. If you come back, if you really have juice in also, hold this one. You not drink, you have to go away. Yes, no, you come back tomorrow.
As a foodie here, guys. Auntie will not play on food.
Guys, I'm breaking the fast because I eat 3 eggs this morning.
One every.
Only 3. The feeding. How much am I on this? Alright, we'll close them now.
Oh, push up your door for me, Sicky. Move. Now go over with tent. Over the sun. I want the chicken and the salt. No, sir. Sit down. Guys, we finish eat up and I clean up, you know. Guys, we got chance to cold water right now at 12. What? At 12? Is it after 11 or to 12?
After 11, man.
Oh, much chance to cold water, you know. People, you want a cool. Water cool, me try find somewhere. Hang up my bag. Come bring my bag. So, go hang up my bag right here, so. And close the door. Door can close. Alright, the door can close. Alright, so we're good. We have a bed right now. We have a bed. Guys, just done bed and the water did so cool and nice, like we feel fresh. So just done bed, come back in our tent and I guess we go sleep right now. I'm not sure where we go the next. Just a wait for Anna to come from bathroom. So yeah. In a little tent and I go and chill. You know? Yeah. I'll put on my cream. Realize my face dry. So rub on some cream. really enjoying myself so far. Yeah, this is so fun and nice, and it's so relaxing too. The place is quiet and nice. I have nothing to worry about. I didn't have security and all of that. So yeah, quiet and nice. And the place clean too. Nice little place. Curry still up on and the food did good. The seasoning kinda get a little, but it was good. And then still curry up.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings all coming right down. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be low one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Third for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say, I just shut down. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your falling and live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the burning, so just to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right. But I toast to the friends that they club to be low one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm here to give him the job. I'm in the light. Jah knows I'm a person ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey, the journey that us to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings all coming right down. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be low one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only sit the road and me go on with the road. Toast. Toast. Oh, when I rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey, the journey that us to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall coming right down. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be low one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only sit the road and me go on with it. Toast.
I'm going to bed now, guys.